Hello everyone, this is Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, where we focus on planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. But there's nothing simple about what I want to talk about today. I have something to share with you that's very exciting if you're a Hogwarts Harry Potter fan. So stick with me to see a review of this latest Life 12-month Undated agenda. Are you a Harry Potter fan? If you are, you're going to love what I found for you today. Today I want to share with you the 12-month Undated Agenda, Life Organized Agenda by Paper House. I did a quick run into Joann's to pick up a couple of things, and I happened across this beautiful agenda, and of course, being a huge Harry Potter fan, I just had to buy it, and I wanted to share it with you. I know, I'm primarily a digital planner. I get that, and everybody will tell me that. But from time to time, there are things that I do like to have on paper. And besides that, this is Harry Potter, and it's wonderfully done, and I just wanted to share it with you. So, without further ado, the company is called Paper House, and they produced this monthly Undated agenda, and let's jump right in. First of all, let's talk about the coils. They feel very sturdy to me, and they feel like they're going to hold up very well. They're not flimsy at all. Now, normally I'm not a coil planner fan because I like to add things to my planner and take things out. That's primarily the reason that I went digital to start with. But I think these will be okay. Let's take a look inside. This cover is beautiful. It's the Hogwarts crest, and you can see that it is gold embossed. They had another cover there too that was the Hogwarts castle and the kids arriving by boat, but I liked the burgundy and the classicness of this cover, so I went with this one. Inside here you can see there is a whole chart of spells. Not only is it the name of the spell, but it is the motion that you do with your wand while casting the spell. I think that's so cool. I'm such a Harry Potter nerd. My daughter and I both love Harry Potter, and when she was younger, every summer we would spend all summer long, starting on June 1st and working our way through the entire summer, listening to the entire series on audiobook. It was like the kickoff and highlight of our summer every year. So I'm very excited about this planner. This welcome page is wonderful. It says welcome to Hogwarts School, and it has the sorting hat, and it's covered with all of the crest, the Hogwarts crest, and this book belongs to, and contact information. At the beginning of every month, you have this page, this notes page. It goes over the 4 houses. So you have Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw. And then there's a notes and reminders section. I can think of a million things to do with this page alone. You might want to look at some of the major characteristics of each of the houses and come up with some kind of, maybe Hufflepuff is a gratitude and kindness log that you keep. Maybe Ravenclaw is books that you've read or things that you've learned that month. Maybe Gryffindor is brave things that you've always wanted to try. Maybe this is a year of adventure for you, so you'd like to log those things there. The thoughts just go on and on for me, but I digress. The notes and reminders section here is also very nice. This first divider has a pocket, as you can see here. These are cardboard dividers, and the tab is reinforced here. Now, because it is undated, there's nothing written on these tabs, but there is a way to take care of that, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. For those of you that are wondering The size of this agenda is 9 by 7, I believe. So this is your monthly divider tab, and when you turn that, it goes right into your monthly spread here. As you can see, it is undated, and it is a Sunday start for the monthly spread, and then Sunday through Wednesday is on one side, Thursday through Saturday is on the other side. Then there's also a column here for notes. This says notes, goals, and birthdays. There's a ribbon up here for you to add the month. There's also extra space up here if you would like to write in some other things that you might want to track. One of the things that I love about this page is the spaces where you put the dates are cauldrons. How fun is that? Down here there's a little embossed picture of the castle. You can see parts of the Great Hall there. There's a golden snitch up here in this corner. It's just so wonderful. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, so after the monthly page, you go into the weeks. Now there are 5 weekly pages for each month, and you see here you have the footprints of the Marauders map that goes all across the page on both sides. There's a Hogwarts crest here as well. And on this side, there is a section for notes, goals, and spells. How fun is that? The weekly starts with a Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday have their own full columns, which is nice. And I believe these are probably about the same size as the Happy Planner boxes. It is a vertical layout with 3 boxes. So you could choose to use this however you'd like. AM activities, PM activities, and nighttime activities. Some people like to do AM and PM and then food, nutrition, and exercise, that kind of thing. Some people like home, work, and recreation. However you would like to organize your days would be perfect in here. So that is week 1. All of the weeks are exactly the same. You notice how nicely the pages turn on the coils, and it's relatively thick paper. You know, you can't see any shadowing of my hand behind there. I have not done a pen test yet for this, but the paper quality feels really nice. And there's our 5th week. Then we turn to the next month, and again, you see that notes page that has the 4 houses, notes and reminders. So the rest of the notebook is pretty much the same. So what I'd like to do now is flip through and show you the various divider pages that they have in here. So there's lots of gold embossing on a lot of these things. I hope that's coming through in the camera shots that you can see. The gold embossing of the stripes here. This is the Hogwarts crest, which is absolutely beautiful. Maybe you can see the embossing a little bit more as I turn the page. Then we have Daniel Radcliffe as Harry Potter. Then we have the Gryffindor house crest. This is probably one of my favorite pages. It's the Hogwarts school list. And you see they have it, it's everything that's in Harry's first letter. You know, what he's required for his uniform, the book list, and other equipment that he is allowed to bring for first-year students. But this is written in a very magical-looking way with the crest at the top and the wands to each side. It's beautifully done. The little cauldrons here, the frogs, I just have spent lots and lots of time checking it out. I just think all the details are wonderful. I love the sorting hat that's built in there too. It's just my favorite page. Again, you can also see that it is gold embossed. The next month is Slytherin. The next month is Gryffindor in the background with Harry, Ron, and Hermione characters there, and that's an actual black and white photograph from the movie. This is Warner Brothers sponsored, if you're wondering, so these images were taken from the movie. The next month is scattered with all of these beautiful little gold hearts. And it says, the ones that love us never really leave us. And then there's a big heart. And it says, in here, you can always find them. I think that's a very nice sentiment. And again, it's all embossed with gold. Beautifully done. Then we have Hufflepuff with the badger. The next month also has gold embossing on it. It looks like snowfall falling down on this beautiful drawing of the castle. Just so detailed, just so gorgeous. I'm hoping that you can pick up some of the gold embossing. Then we have Ravenclaw, which is my house. And the last divider are all of the flying magical keys that Harry encounters. And this one also has a pocket here in the back for you to put notepads or notes, that kind of thing, in those pockets. And you see that brings us to our last month. And in the very back, behind the last week, there is one final notes page here. And then there are pages of stickers. There are 3, I believe. 1, 2, 3 pages of stickers. And they also have a lot of gold embossing on them. So we have to-do stickers, we have today stickers, we have these little circular icon stickers. This row is shopping carts, this row is presents, this row is hot beverages, either hot tea or coffee. Then we have a row of stars, a row of piggy banks with money going into it, a row of hearts. This says appointments, important. And then we have some flag stamps over here that have different things on them. Different symbols. There's a golden stitch. There's a Dobby. There's a to-do. There's rows of stars here. And then we have some very small icon stickers that have asterisks and hearts. And then we have some, I believe these would probably be about 1/3 of a box stickers. There's Hagrid. There's the Sorting Hat. And then these are 6 stars on these flags that hang down for maybe to-do items or exercise or whatever you would like to use these for. Very cool. Very cool. And the stickers are done in such a way that there is not a white border. The color goes out and beyond where the sticker is cut. So there would be no white border around the sticker. It would be full color all the way out to the edge. Our second page of stickers has a lot of variety on it. There's a big banner at the top that says, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good, which is kind of how I live my life. There are the 4 houses with their gold foiling on them. Some very typical standard Harry Potter wax sealed, the Sorting Hat, Hedwig, Dobby, just beautiful things. The snitch, the wands, Hogwarts Express ticket. These flags have Harry Potter's glasses, to-do. These are just gold. This one is one of my favorite stickers. This is the same cover as the other agenda that I saw in the store, and it is the castle, and all of the lights in the castle are gold foiled, and all of the children coming across on the boats, their candle lights or lantern lights are also gold foiled. So it has just this beautiful, beautiful color to it. That's really cool. Again, down here we have some box stickers, and there's Dobby again, 9 3/4. There's a feather, and there is some more of those flags with the 6 stars on them. So well done, beautifully done. Our last page is clear stickers. Actually, they look white on the page, but they're actually clear stickers. Let me see if I can pull that up a little bit and show you. So you can see my finger behind there. That's actually a clear sticker. And there are 2 sets of stickers. They are embossed as well. There's 2 sets. I think you could use those in 2 ways. You could either put one on the front of the tab that you would like, and you probably could put the second one on the back side of the tab if you would like, or you could put one on the tab that you're using, and then on the monthly page you see there's also this flag space. You could take one of your monthly stickers and put it there if you'd like to do that as well. So there's different ways that you could use these stickers. They also list the holidays that you can put on your monthly pages, and these are United States holidays: Easter Sunday, Cinco de Mayo, Flag Day, Independence Day, Christmas Eve, etc., etc. Here's a piece of washi tape, another thicker piece of washi tape. This one has spells on it: Ascendio, Reparo, Lumos, and Asio. And another, I do solemnly swear that I am up to no good, and another set of keys. And again, all of these pieces of washi tape are gold foiled. They are beautiful. I would put those on special pages, maybe the title page or something like that. And then in the very back of the book, the back is just like the front, so you have that same chart of spells with the motions for moving your wand around as you're conducting these spells. And the back cover is just a burgundy page that has a little bit, it looks like a little bit of distressing, as if this were a book that someone would be carrying at Hogwarts. It says Harry Potter, and it's licensed from the Warner Brothers Entertainment Company and is created by Paper House. So there you have it. This entire agenda contains monthly spreads, a weekly calendar, 5 weeks per month. It's in a vertical 3-box format. There are notes pages, there are 2 pockets, and there are over 140 stickers. So I would like to say to you that if you are a fan of Harry Potter and the Wizarding World, this might be something that you want to check out. I actually used my coupon on it at Joann's, and it was a very reasonable price. Well, that about does it for this particular review video. I think this is going to be really wonderful to use. I haven't exactly figured out what I want to keep in here. It has to be something very special because I think it's a really great book, and I love the fact that it's undated, so I can start it whenever I am ready to start it. And I think that's just wonderful. Well, if you've liked this video and you found value in anything that we've talked about today, please give me a thumbs up. A like really is the best compliment that you can leave me. And if you'd like to learn more about planning and organizing and living a more simplified life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload new videos, which is about once a week. I love to talk about planners. I love to talk about Harry Potter. So this has been a fun video for me. I hope you have enjoyed it. And for those of you looking to go back to school, maybe teachers who are looking to start off the school year with a fresh start, this might be a great agenda for you to use for the 2021-22 school year. Well, that about does it for me today. I want to thank you for watching, and until we meet next time, okay, bye.